So today's video is going to be a video about my hair. So I don't know, like I blow dried my hair a lot this month because of Fashion Week and stuff like that, and I had to straighten it a lot, so I was like quite sad about that because I really hate straightening my hair and I just don't want it to get damaged. So what I did is I decided to do braids straight after Fashion Week, but I didn't want something that was going to be too time consuming and something that will be too much let's say tight on my head or whatever. So I was just watching Brandy's video. I think it was The Boy Is Mine, and she had this really cool like braids as she always does, but it was kind of like thicker and loose. So I was like, maybe I should try that. So that's what I did, but I kind of recreated it in my own way by adding smaller strands like this size and this size strands and this size strands. So the back is all really tightly braided and the front 3 braids are loosely braided, and then there's these 2 that are skinny, and then I have these ones that are braided like that. And so it's just like a variety. I was just going for like how I was feeling as well. Oops. Yeah, so that's what I did. So I'm really excited about how it looks, and I'm just excited to take pictures wearing it. That's it. So I'll see you guys soon. Hope you have a lovely day. Bye. I just keep them satisfied.